Hello everyone, this is Xavier from Teleprompter.com once again. Now we have a very interesting topic, which is creative blocks. It has happened to all of us. Now we're gonna talk about how to reactivate your creative spark. Now this is a little bit dedicated for those who are already doing content for YouTube. In case you have a burnout of creativity blocks, then this is also for you. Now we're going to talk about what are practical strategies for managing, because we have it a lot. Even though you're very dedicated, you already have a great pool of followers, you might have these creative blocks. So now we're going to talk about that a little bit, very briefly, about how managing the stress, maintaining the motivation to keep going, and overcoming all these creative obstacles. And trust me, it happens to everyone. So you're not alone in this one. Now, very important to recognize it. Now, there are two ways that you have this block. One is the burnout, and the other is the creative block. Now, let's focus first on the burnout. What is that? Burnout is when you feel this kind of like you're exhausted, you have a lack of motivation, you have reduced productivity. This is going to restrict your body itself and your emotional levels, that somehow you don't feel like doing it anymore. Versus the other one, a creative block. That is about the lack of ideas. You don't have that inspiration anymore. You're feeling stuck or uninspired. That will be the key word. So the difference between these two is that in creative blocks, you have all the motivation, you're ready to do it, but you just don't have the ideas. You have that inspiration is missing. Then first, let's talk about the burnout, okay? When you're feeling this burnout, that you're not enthusiastic anymore, you don't feel like doing it, then the best way is to just seek inspiration from other diverse sources. Diverse sources, it can be anything. It can be from going for a walk, read different things, just take your mind away from it, okay? Why is this important? Because probably you heard this saying that an idea hit you when you're in the shower, right? That is basically that it's subconsciously your brain is still working on the idea and is still trying to find a solution for an idea, but on a conscious level, you're not. One moment you step back a little bit, then subconsciously you'll still be working it and it will come. You're just not forcing it, okay? So that's number one, how to get away from this burnout sensation. Number two, go back to basics. Connect with your why. Why did you do this in the first place? Why did you choose this topic? Are you happy with it? Do you want to go into another direction? Maybe it's taking so much energy from you that you concentrate and try to make it work out, but things change, people change, market circumstances change. Another way to a little bit get out of this burnout sensation that a lot of people have, collaborate with others. Now, we had an episode before about collaboration. Have a look at it. There's great tips, good strategies, but basically, the moment you collaborate with somebody else, that other person will bring in fresh energy, fresh ideas, and that will help you. So don't see other people that are creating content same as you are as competition. That was for the burnout. Now what happens when you have a creative block? How do you overcome that? Well, one way to do it is to experiment with different approaches, different formats that you have. Until now you have already done it in a certain way, but experiment something and shake things up. When the moment you shake things up, you will be forced to find a new solution to it. And maybe that will take you away from the block that you have. Another one is just take a break, rest, take your time. Even though you have scheduled content you have to do, just take a little bit break from it. Do something else, refresh yourself, and then later on, keep going on it. And the last one is embrace imperfection. I know that all of us, the moment we want to create content, we want it to be perfect. We want it to really hit the masses, everybody like it. But in reality, it's very hard to make the perfect video. In that sense, just embrace imperfection, acknowledge that you will be developing with time. You will learn different things. You will change your approach how to do the content, okay? So those are the tips, strategies, tools you can use to manage burnout and creative blocks. So once again, thank you for watching. This is Xavier, teleprompter.com. Make sure you follow us. Have a great day.